Hola, and welcome to Kim at Home. Today, I'm going to take some of this Christmas decor down and just tidy up a little bit in my home. If you are new here, I'm Kim, K-Y-M. This is my home. That was my Christmas tree, and let's get started. Let me show you what we are working with today. I just really want to get things back in order. So, if you go behind the couch, this is what you will find. Some cool stuff back here, right? Anyway, I'm gonna put I need these to put the Christmas ornaments back in here. It's so funny how quickly you can take Christmas down, but like putting it up, you have to like think it out, try to figure out where things go, you know, all that great stuff. When did you take your Christmas stuff down, or when do you typically take your Christmas stuff down? I normally put my Christmas things up the day after Thanksgiving and then take it down on New Year's Day. Leave a comment down below. Since I have these actual boxes that I can put the ornaments back in, it's easier for me to just take them down in a color coordinated method, if that makes sense. That is finished, finally. It literally took me 5 minutes. Some of these boxes are kind of dusty, so I'm going to go ahead and wipe this off with some Lysol Disinfectant wipes.
You know it's what you say and what you do. I got you inside my head, and you're never coming out. I don't know what you do to me. Maybe I'm insane. Oh, I just want you to stay.
I had to call in for some backup to help me take the tree down, apart, and put away. The tree is gone. Here is the skirt and a whole bunch of mess on the floor, so I'll have to get this vacuumed really quickly. There are a few items that are kind of big and I really don't want them getting caught up in the vacuum, so I'm going to pick those up first. The good thing about the living space is I did not have to do much because I'm in here all the time, and so I'm always dusting and cleaning and all that great stuff. So I'm out of breath, but it looks good. The tree is down now, Christmas is over, so I need to go through the rest of the house and take down some of the Christmas decorations that I have up. I've already started this, so it's not going to be too many different places. I will say that it does make me sad to take down Christmas decor. It really makes me happy and in a cheerful spirit. On the bright side, it gives me a chance to look over the things in my house, look over the decor, and kind of start from scratch. So since that's more of like a winter wreath, I'm not gonna take it down. It's really pretty.
Good times that we had, I'll be missing your love. I'll be missing you and your love, your love, your love. When I think of you and the two of us together, it felt so good for so long. It was you and me forever. Now you walk away. Maybe for
Taking the Christmas down, you do find a lot of dust, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to dust and get some things tidied up in here.
Will you miss my love? Will you miss my love? All the good times that we had. Will you miss my love?
So this is what's behind my DIY stand, and it's pretty messy, which is fine. No one sees it but me. So I need to get that swept out and then put those items away.
See you again. I want to show you how I loved you. You were my one true friend. cherish every moment I got to spend with you. I have so much inside of me. I wanna tell you something true. I've been missing you, love. Yeah, I've been missing you, love.
I'm going to use a Method all-purpose cleaner to clean off my DIY stand. I'm going to dust it first though. I would like to again welcome anyone who has just clicked on my channel for the first time today. I am Kim, K-Y-M. I'm a mom, wifey, daughter, auntie, and friend. I started my YouTube journey a year ago and I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. So before you leave out, please do not forget to hit that red subscribe button and show that like button some love as well. I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family. We are called the Keep Up Crew. So let me tell you the reasoning behind the name Keep Up Crew. I'm too lazy to have a disastrous clean, so I just clean every single day. I wipe down every single day. I tidy every single day. It prevents me from spending my entire weekend cleaning. I really don't have time for that, and I'd like to spend time with my family on the weekend. Showing your home love every single day makes a big difference. So on my channel, I'm committed to giving you different tips on how to keep your home clean throughout the week. Again, so you're not spending your entire weekend cleaning all day. You can always stream my YouTube channel when you're cleaning. You'll get a relaxing vibe, some great music, and great tips. My soap dispenser and tray, they don't really get as much love as I would like to give them, so I'm committed to making sure that I do it way more often than I am. How often do you clean yours? Leave a comment down below.
I'm still missing you, love. I'm still missing you and your love.
Much better.
Your love.
The music is giving me some serious Sade vibes. If you like Sade, raise your hand. And if you're my mom, don't say anything rude.
Oh, baby, I'm still missing you.
Spilled wax all over the place, but that's okay. I'm gonna get it up really quickly before it dries.
I'm missing you.
It's my knife, because I don't want to scratch my countertops up. Wrapping the knife in a cloth or a paper towel works so well, and it will not scratch your counters.
You and I, we are so random. You bring the darkness to the light, split the atom. I ignore the fact that this.
So now I'm gonna hit it with some vinegar, and that should take the rest of it up. Do you use vinegar in your home to clean anything? Leave a comment down below and let me know. There are so many great benefits for using vinegar to clean. And you cannot even tell that there was a spillage.
I don't care about love, just need your touch. Want you to be my vice.
Oh my gosh! I'm so glad that happened actually, because I don't know when the last time I have cleaned back here, and that is what the refrigerator is looking like. Like I said, I'm not worried about it because I will get it up shortly.
You got that good, yeah, but I'm running like I'm lost in the woods, yeah. I don't really care, 'cause I just like it here. Me and you can't get enough, no, you know, acted, but I know this is a bluff.
I was able to get the refrigerator cleaned off really well. However, I did not hit record, but here is what came off of the refrigerator. It looks good. All the wax is off. I did scratch it a little bit, but don't tell anyone. A vacuum that you can use on both hardwood and carpet is your best friend.
Want you to be my vice.
Cannot even tell that there was wax over there, but I put a new wax melt in there since I spilled all the wax out. I'm going to clean the entire table and chairs with vinegar for the first time, and then the second time around I'm going to use the Method wood cleaner.
I'm all about your vibe. Want you to be my vice. I'm all about your vibe.
When washing your pots and pans, do you put them in the dishwasher or do you wash them in the sink? Leave a comment down below. For me, what I have found is it lasts longer when you actually wash them by hand rather than put them in the dishwasher. Another thing that I noticed with the good Tupperware, the dishwasher kind of messes that up as well. But you know, sometimes you just got to use the dishwasher because I don't be feeling like doing the dishes all the time. You feel me?
I wanna go down. I wanna go down. But damn, it feels good when you jump on it.
Are you following me on Instagram and TikTok? If not, you should. I try to, like once a week, put some cleaning motivation on there as well as some cooking motivation. Easy recipes that you can get done within like 30 minutes. Have you ever watched Rachel Ray, 30-Minute Meals? It's Kim, K-Y-M, 30-Minute Meals up in here.
If you want it, yeah. Your body's out in motion.
After you clean out the sink, be sure to dry it thoroughly. You want to dry it out for many reasons. First of all, it conserves the life of your sink, and also if you don't like spots, there won't be any spots in your sink because you've already dried it out. You didn't even think about that, did you? I cleaned it out with Vinegar and Dawn Power Wash. All of the cleaning products that I use are always listed below in the description box.
Selfish lovers drink for free. Spin you around my glass and watch you fall down. Pull you back down.
While I recorded this video, it was the middle of the day, so I'm not gonna mop my floors. I'll just wait to do that until later.
You can have my last name if you want it. If you want it. If you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it. Take you.
I completely forgot about the microwave until my husband put something in and I was like, ooh, I need to clean that. No matter how much you cover your food, there's always going to be splatters all over the place.
Good, good, good. Damn, it feels good.
When doing a deep clean on your microwave, make sure that you are cleaning off the little ring thing that I just stuck in there and also the plate. This plate is looking a little sad, so we're going to make sure that we get it cleaned off with some vinegar.
My last name if you want it, if you want it, if you want it. Dear girl, we don't even have to stop it.
In case no one has told you today, you are amazing. You do a fantastic job and you are worthy.
If you want it, but damn, it feels good when you.
This microwave is looking really good. It only took a few minutes. I'm not sure why I don't do it more often, but hey, it's done now. Compared to what the kitchen looked like earlier, it looks so much better. Everything is nice and clean, just the way I like it. Growing up, I remember my mom always saying there are specific rooms in your home that need to be cleaned all the time. The kitchen was definitely one of them. Thanks so much for being here. I really appreciate it. If this is your first time, thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and the subscribe button before you leave out. I am almost at 1,000. I am so excited. Whoop, whoop. Now I need a sponsorship. Shark Vacuum, Method, Vinegar, whatever. Thank you so much for joining me today. Don't forget to look in the mirror and tell yourself, I am worthy, I am amazing, and I am beautiful, because you are. Have a good day. Thank you so much for being here. Bye, guys.